Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Dogecoin price and is it ready to rally? Also, we'll touch on a couple other little bits of news in both the crypto and stock market. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out. What are we talking about right now? Well, we're in the middle of June here and things have been pretty quiet. We'll show you on the charts. Pretty much trading sideways still. So things have been rather quiet. So this is a good time to accumulate. We'll show you where those buy points are on the charts. Also, looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's happening, and maybe even Shiba going on a little bit of a run as well. So let's get right to it. Let's take a look at the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start right here with some Dogecoin news. Elon Musk denies owning the Dogecoin stash that was linked to insider trading. That's right. Elon Musk's lawyer says the claim that the Tesla CEO is secretly a Doge whale is without basis. This is this big $258 billion lawsuit. We've talked about this before. Without merit, completely. According to the court filings, Musk is accused of selling 1.4 billion Dogecoin worth over $124 million. That there are these two big whale wallets that these people say they belong to Elon, but Elon's attorney Alex Shapiro denied these allegations and saying basically, you guys just think that these wallets are Elon's. There's no basis for it. It's not true. And they want to have the whole case dismissed. So we'll see where that goes from here. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, largely unchanged. Shiba, we'll show that on the chart. A little bit of a run for Shiba yesterday. Not too much though. Again, nothing's going crazy overall, the main crypto. So yeah, we're just kind of in a holding pattern right now. But what could be happening with Dogecoin? Could there be a price rally soon? Well, what we're talking about is Glassnode. They've made an intriguing observations about the relationship between NASDAQ and Bitcoin. According to one of their latest tweets, historical data suggests that whenever the NASDAQ experiences a slowdown, like now, crypto tends to take off, signaling a rotation into higher risk assets. Also, renowned crypto analyst Chris Bernanke, formerly leading the crypto division at ARK Invest, also weighed in on the discussion. Bernanke also said something similar, and here's Bernanke's tweet looking at how many days NASDAQ goes on a run, and then when that run stops, we then have Bitcoin going on a run. So with that relationship there, what happens is not only NASDAQ to Bitcoin, but then to ETH, then to Solana, then to Doge, and then we'll see NFTs rally. So Doge is mentioned in here, that these high-risk waterfall runs that we'll see have Doge in it as well. So what are we looking at on the charts? Well, here's Doge. You know, it's been over a week of sideways trading. A week ago when I made my last video, because things have been pretty quiet about Dogecoin not being a security, do check that out as well. We were at 6.2 cents, and here's where we are now. Yeah, there was just a little dip here that we had last Wednesday, just below 6 cents. Nice little dip here, good buying opportunity for 5.9 cent Dogecoin. And then here we are back at, right where we are at 6.2 cents. Now, with this price preview of Dogecoin, we see an overall bigger picture of Doge. And we see a year ago, that's right, it was just about a year ago, we had the Luna crash, then we had the Celsius crash, and Doge actually went down to 4.9 cents. Doge has not revisited that level. So 5.9 is the lowest that we see right now, just last week. And if this rings true and we start seeing this waterfall effect and Bitcoin and other cryptos start to take off, that 5.9 right there could have been the dip. Bitcoin just touched up over 27,000 earlier today. Now at 26.7 is where Bitcoin is. And ETH has not regained 1,800, pretty much right around 1720 to 1740, little bit of a dip, and then it just climbed right back up and going sideways. So here is when we're looking at NASDAQ, again, there was this talk about in stocks like sell in May and go away, buy back in September. Well, if you had done that, here is the month of May and the month of June so far in the NASDAQ. That's right. So if you had done that, let's say back on April 26th here, you would have missed out on 16% rise in NASDAQ from late April to now mid-June. So sell in May, go away, not working this year so far. Now, could we see this dip in NASDAQ now starting to come down? We could see that. Again, is that a rotation then going into cryptos? And could we see cryptos taking off as well? Maybe. We also have Bitcoin dominance. That's right. Bitcoin dominance has been on the upswing. Most alts not doing well. A few of mine that I bought over the past couple months not doing so great, but others are. Render doing well. Jasmy has been doing well as well, but some others are down. So, but again, when we see that rotation going, Bitcoin first and then the alts follow, that's typically what we see. So I tweeted out this chart earlier here. This is my Twitter @ChrisPax. Please be sure to follow me. Having some fun, making money. That's what my Twitter account is all about. And I did screen capture that Bitcoin dominance at over 50% earlier today. So things are moving, that's for sure. And despite sideways trading we've seen for the week, it looks like accumulation is still happening. We're not seeing huge drops now. We see small little drops based on some bits of news, and then the market just recovers right back. So that's kind of what we're seeing going on right now. So overall right now, where we're sitting, it's still pretty quiet. As you can see, things still going sideways, but that doesn't mean that we can't still have a little fun, as we showed on my Twitter account, as well as other things going on this summer. Yeah, I think it's going to be a little bit of while before we see those big runs ahead. We got the Bitcoin halving, of course, coming next April. There'll be a lot of excitement about that. We have a Bitcoin ETF that BlackRock has applied for. It looks like Fidelity is also going to be making an application for a Bitcoin ETF as well. So more and more, there's going to be talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. It's all good. We'll see where it goes from here. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the current prices and where prices are going to be going. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.